Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my cold flu immunity shots. These are great to take every single morning whenever there's a virus going around or whenever you don't feel good or if you just need the extra energy boost. So if you want to learn how to make these, please keep watching. So I made 1/2 shot, but for one full shot you will need 1 thumb of ginger or 2, depending on your taste. You will need 1 whole orange juice, 1 lemon, again the juice of it, 2 garlic cloves, cayenne pepper, and you can use ground as well, just a little bit. Ground cinnamon, I use just 1 teaspoon. You can also do jalapeno slices. I used honey, and preferably you use Minnesota honey for allergies. And then I just squeeze everything into a blender. I put the garlic in, the ginger in, and then I just put all the juices in. I just use my hands to squeeze. And then I just blend for a minute or 2 or until everything is all dissolved. I make sure that there's no big chunks. So then I take a strainer and I strain the juice so that I don't get the pulp inside my shot. I don't like the pulp, but if you like it, you can keep it. And I make sure I get all the juice out of the pulp so I can get as much juice out of it. So once I have all the juice, I pour it into a shot glass. This is a little bit way bigger than a shot glass, but it will work. So there it is, guys. This is my immunity shot. I usually add turmeric to this, and I also add honey on top once I'm all finished, just for the taste. If you try it, let me know how it goes. Bye.